Guys, dito tayo sa aking munting ubasan. Napakadami pong bunga niya ngayon at ang good news ay malapit na halos sila lahat mahinog. Actually mag-harvest tayo ngayon. Pero yan pa dito madami. Yan, halos lahat po yan guys, mga hinog na. Harvest na po yan, ready for harvest. Saka matatamis. Yan. Yan, dami po niya bunga. Yan. Dito pa. Yan. Halos lahat yan guys, mga green. Yan, green siya. Pero ano, hinog na po yan. Hinog na po yan. Ito, yan, hinog. Brazilian hybrid. Ito, hindi ko alam kung anong variety ito. Blackberry. Yan, hinog na rin mo yan. Ito pa, hinog na. Mamaya mag-harvest tayo. Yan. Halos di na makita yung bubong. Ayan pa. Kukunti, tatatlo.
Just because there's someone else. You were the first real love I ever had. And all the things I ever said, I swear they still are true. For no one else can have the part of me I gave to you. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving you both is breaking all the rules. I couldn't really blame you if you turned and walked away. But with everything I feel inside, I'm asking you to stay. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool.
Tamis lang to.
Loving you both is breaking all the rules.
Yan lahat guys, oh. Dami. Puno yung lalagyan. Halos na puno yung lalagyan.
Loving both of you is breaking all the
Ito, iwan natin to para tuwing aakyat tayo dito, meron tayong papitikas. May makakain tayo. Hinog na rin yan. Kulay green. Ito, iwan muna natin to. Mga hilaw pa.
what's on her mind.
Nagaganda ng kulay. Oh.
Even though she
Ay, mga hilaw pa yan.
knows how much it's gonna hurt.
Ito isa nakabalot. Malapit na rin mahinog yan.
Before I
Ito pa,
say
iwan din natin to.
let me tell you I love you.
Iwan natin yan.
Let me hold you
Ayun,
close.
oh, malapit na rin mahinog. Pinalot
Say
din ulit.
these words as gently as I
Itong isang klaseng to, hinog na rin sana kaso maliliit.
just been another
Seedless yan eh, maliliit.
I've needed and I've loved.
Everest ang ano yan, variety.
That doesn't mean I love you less. And he knows you can't possess me, and he knows he never will.